Hello everybody, this is Yousef and welcome to my show Cooking with Yousef. Today we are going to make a chicken noodle soup, which is a little bit different from the previous video that I used to make a Persian dish. This is not necessary, it's a Persian, but it's been in our family since I remember and I loved it, and I thought maybe share it with you guys because the weather is going to get colder and it's going to be a nice hearty soup that helps you to get warm. So we are going over the ingredients and start making it. What we have here is about 5 chicken leg and 3 chicken strips, and the reason that I have with the bone, because the bones is making lots of different on a flavor. So, but I'm gonna take the bone at the end of the soup. And I do have cilantro and parsley, half and half. It's about like this much, a handful, okay? And we're gonna chop this later on and use in 2 different times. One is almost close to the finish, and one when we're serving. I have a carrots here. These carrots are small. I had it here, so I thought maybe I use this. You can use 2 medium-sized carrots. That's gonna do the job. And this is about, again, it's about like a handful like this carrots. And I have, it's 1 cup of green peas, and I have 3 potatoes that we're gonna skins off and chop also, chop them this. And I have 1 onion and 1 lime or lemon. I do have some spaghetti, not the big one. And this is, this much, I don't know, I did not weigh this, but you can see it how much it is. So because it's gonna cut them into 3 pieces. I do have chicken stock, and it's about 1 liter. I'm going to use the whole thing. 1.5 a teaspoon salt, 1.5 black pepper, 1/4 of the teaspoon red pepper. These are actually is your taste. If you want to just reduce or more, it's up to you. I do have 1.5 teaspoon also turmeric, 1/4 of a spoon coriander, 1/4 of teaspoon cilantro seeds powder. I do have 1 small pepper, that's serrano pepper. If you don't like it, you don't have to use it. Let's start by slicing our onion or chop them. As you see, there is no oil or sauteing involved, and so we just put this in a pot. The entire onion goes there. With our chicken. But I'm going to slice this to the small pieces, the chicken tender. So maybe few, and it goes there. Let me wash my hand and come back and slice the rest of the things. Okay, we're going to slice this carrots to this size, and as I said, you just usually get the big carrots and slice them, but I did have this in our fridge. I thought maybe I can use this. So a carrot is a carrot. Doesn't matter it's small or big, but that's what we're gonna do. And also I put all this green peas also in there and do the rest of it. Carrots also go in there. Now I have, as I said, a small serrano pepper which goes in the pot, and all these spices goes in there at the same time. Here we go. So going to chop some of these cilantro and parsley, but not going to put it in till, at the time, which is like a 10 minutes, 15 minutes before the serving, which is the time for, it's going to be the time for both these noodles and the parsley, also for potato at the same time. Right now, all these chicken stock goes in here. Going to put some water also to cover this. Is probably, that one was about 1 liter, and this is about a half a liter that I do, another liter, so the total is 2 liter. It goes in there and start cooking it in a high heat till it starts boiling. Then we reduce the heat and let it cook about, I believe it's about 1.5 hours. Then we check on that one. If it's a time to take the bones out, and then put potatoes in there and noodles. So easy and simple. See you then. Okay, start boiling right now with the high heat, and this is time I'm gonna reduce the heat on this one. Also, meanwhile, I chopped this parsley and cilantro 2 different way. One very fine, the other one, very, rough. These are going to go over at the serving, and I think it's a good time to add some of this at this time to just mix it, the taste come out, and also give some color to it. So if it's not enough, I'm going to check about like a half an hour or so, and if it's not enough, probably I'm going to add some dry parsley to it. But let's see what it's going to turn out to. Okay, and here we reduce the heat to the medium low, actually not very low, but something between low and medium, and let it cook for about 1 hour 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we are going to peel off those potatoes and make it ready for the time that I have to put it in. Now I'm chopping the potatoes, and this is a good size. So this one also depends on your taste. If you like potato, you can put it more. If you don't like it, put it less. But this much is perfect for what we're making. All right, I put this in water and keep it till it's a time to put it in a soup. I wash them 1 time to get the starch out of it, and leave it in the water because it's prevent from getting dark and color change. So we wait till is the time to put it in a soup. All right, it has been about 1 hour, maybe hour and 5 minutes. So what we have to do right now is debone. So take the bones out of the chicken and like this. So it's cooked very well. That's why you can take this out. This is the time to add the potato also. And squeeze the lime or lemon that you have. All right. And it's the time for noodles. We are going to break this in 3 pieces. 1, 2, and 3. So in about 10-12 more minutes, our food is going to be completely ready. So we wait for that and see you. Okay, the total is exactly 1.5 hours since we started, just putting on the fire. Now it's a time and it's ready, and I'm gonna serve this and put it in a bowl and eat it. So it looks great. I'm pretty sure the taste is going to be great too. All right, our chicken noodle soup is ready, and the final touch is, as a garnishment, some of this fresh parsley and cilantro goes over, and as you see, makes it even looks better, and we are done. So you can eat this the way that it is, or you can have it with a baguette, crouton, homemade. I made this crouton, and any kind of bread. If you don't like, or your any favorite bread that you want, or just eat it the way it is. Anyway, it's going to be wonderful. You can add some of the lime or lemon into that and enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate, and I like to see that you guys make this and enjoy it in a cold time. And till next time with a new video, a new show. Bye.